Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to find your BitLocker recovery key. So without further ado, let's get right into it. A BitLocker recovery key is required when Windows cannot automatically unlock an encrypted drive. This key is a 48-digit number used to regain access to your drive. You may be prompted for the recovery key during startup if Windows detects a security risk or a hardware change. You might also need it for data or external drives, for example if you forgot the unlock password. Step 1. Take note of the recovery key ID. When prompted to enter a recovery key, note the first 8 digits of the recovery key ID. This ID helps you identify which recovery key to use if you have more than one. Step 2. Where to find your recovery key. 1. Attached to your Microsoft account. If backed up to your Microsoft account from another device, open a browser and go to Sign in with your Microsoft account. Match the recovery key ID and use the related recovery key to unlock the drive. Notes: if someone else set up BitLocker, the recovery key may be stored in their Microsoft account. Starting with Windows 11, version 2 for H2, the recovery screen shows a hint of the Microsoft account associated with the recovery key. 2. Attached to your work or school account. If your device was signed into an organization, go to Sign in with your work or school account. Select Devices. Expand your device. Choose View BitLocker Keys. Use the recovery key ID to find the correct key. 3. On a printout, you may have printed the recovery key when BitLocker was activated. Check where you keep important papers related to your device. The printout will show both the key ID and the 48-digit recovery key. 4. On a USB flash drive, if you saved the recovery key to a USB drive, insert the USB drive into your locked device and follow the instructions. If saved as a text file, open it on another device to read the recovery key. 5. Save to a file. BitLocker allows saving the recovery key as a file on your computer or another storage device. Look for a .txt file named something like BitLocker recovery key in your documents or backup folders. Open the file to view the recovery key and match it with the recovery key ID. Note: if you signed in with a Microsoft account during Windows setup and device encryption was enabled by default, the BitLocker recovery key is automatically saved to your Microsoft account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.